this is our first winter storm. It's winter for Georgia. The rest of the world is getting inches and inches of snow. We're just getting this flurry. I don't even know if it's gonna stick. But I really didn't cover these plants. You know, they for the most part got taken out by the frost that came through. A lot of them got damaged. So I'm just gonna let them be. The majority of them are cool weather crops, so they can take a little bit of cold and some of this slush that's falling on them. There are quite a bit of stuff I am gonna pull out here in the next month or so, and there's gonna be quite a bit of stuff I am gonna start for the spring garden. So I'm gonna let these plants be. I initially thought to cover them, but I said, you know what, I'm gonna let them be. So yeah, it's looking, a little bit of a winter wonderland out here.